Kempegowda Museum has been shut for an indefinite time. The citizens who wish to visit the museum return clueless after finding a lock on the door.
I have visited Kempegowda Museum 2-3 times with my friends, but it was closed. I hope it opens soon.
The museum was established in the year 2011 and everybody was welcome to visit the site. In 2019, the High Court asked BBMP to shift the museum to a new place as it wanted to accommodate additional courts and advocate chambers. The museum since then has been irregularly open to the public and is still shut as the project head cites renovation as the prime reason. The museum houses old pictures of forts, temples and other monuments that Kempegowda built during his reign. The BBMP says the work is going on to settle the museum.
This instruction is there, but BBMP council not is approved. Museum shifted is not approved in any decision taken. BBMP is not taken any decision.
Our expert has some views on the ongoing situation.
Yeah, museums are a good thing for a city to understand the history, heritage, whatever is about the city.
The museum is slated to open after minor renovation that is going on. The plans of relocation lay dormant. This is Bhavya Kumar reporting for Citycast.